Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm very happy to tell you about a topic: create good feng shui in your bathroom. Bathrooms have a bad reputation in feng shui. This is the fact. You can change this reputation even though with this bit a mindful effort. Apply easy feng shui tips and stop worrying about bad feng shui in your bathroom. Let's start it. Feng shui a bathroom location in a good feng shui floor plan. When you are in a position to design a floor plan, why not minimize bad bathroom energy from the very beginning so that you do not constantly have to deal with it. The same applies when you're looking at several houses with different floor plans. Be sure you know about potential bad bathroom energy and know what to avoid. Feng shui a bathroom aligned with the front door. The direct alignment of the bathroom door with the front door is bad feng shui. And one of the concerns you might have with the feng shui of a new or existing house is a bathroom over the main entry. The main door is very important in feng shui. Moreover, a bathroom in the center of the house is usually considered bad feng shui. The center of the house is the heart of the space in feng shui, also called the yin-yang point. Feng shui tips for a bathroom in the money area. Here are some easy feng shui tips to help you deal with the challenge of having bathroom in the feng shui, money and abundance area. A bathroom in the love and marriage feng shui area. Since you know that your bathroom is located in the love and marriage area, do focus on strengthening its feng shui element, which is earth. Both fire and earth element colors are good in the southwest feng shui Dawo area. Moreover, feng shui of a bathroom above the bedroom. A bathroom located above the bedrooms is not the best feng shui setup. An important factor to consider in looking for feng shui curves in this case is how busy the upstairs bathroom will be. Feng shui curves for a bathroom door facing the kitchen. Having the kitchen and the bathroom doors face each other is the very bad feng shui. Indeed, one does not need to know much about feng shui. Intuitively understand that this is not a good setup for a healthy home. A bathroom water element in the middle feng shui element area. A bathroom in the west or northwest bowel areas is not bad or worse feng shui than a bathroom in any other feng shui bowel area of the house. Bathroom to have a predominant water feng shui element energy that can weaken the middle feng shui element. Should you have good feng shui in the bathroom, the fact that an area is challenging does not mean you do not take good care of it. It is important to understand that bathroom will always have a draining energy, no matter where they are located. By diminishing or weakening the bowel area where the bathroom is located, you are not helping, but making it worse. Okay, that's all. If you see this is a good video, like video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your listening. See you next time.